This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. The recently modified
recently modified file. Yes.
Because this is one that we used the XP search, the thing that I wrote, in a C# for doing the file search.
It is not giving me anything for some reason. Okay. Now it is working.
So this tool, hopefully you guys had seen before. We should have had an older version of it, but it was using AutoHotkey to loop over the files. Oh, good.
Yeah, let me extract that.
It's okay. I mean, and to loop over the files with AutoHotkey, we all know it's slow, right? So I had already written that XP search thing that had the C++, fast approach. So I told Irfan, you can see it.
So this was very slow. It is using AutoHotkey loop to file loop to get the files, read the files. But now we are using WinXP Search. So if I make it like 30, so it will just read the 500 file within a second.
Sorry, say that again. So WinXP Search, is that like
launch the XP search tool?
Okay. So let me go to
Perfect. You're killing me. You don't have a hotkey for it? You don't have it on a...
I think I have a hotkey. Yeah, I had a hotkey for it.
So this is a tool.
It's all...
But how is the search being done, though?
With a C++.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's what I meant. Okay, so there is a C++ engine behind this one.
Right.
Okay, and you're using the engine on yours.
This is when I was like, hey, I'd love to replace the file search tool that I use, but I knew AutoHotkey was slow. So I said to AI, can we find a way to use a faster language for the search and use the AutoHotkey GUI? It's like, absolutely. You'll need a compiler though. And I'm like, well, can you get one? Oh yeah, I can get one. And so it got it, was compiling it all for me. It peeks inside zip in like several different types of zip.
Oh yeah, and encrypted files as well, it seems like.
Reads the text inside the zip files also.
Wow.
It's really cool. But the really cool point, Isaiah, is the search tool I built, that can easily, we could compile it too, but it can easily port it to other tools